if you want to charge your iPhone 16e, there are several methods that allow you to do so. If you just purchased your iPhone and this is your first time charging your iPhone and you only have the USB cable that comes with the phone, in that case you can use a computer in order to charge your phone. Of course, you need to use the USB cable and the cable must be compatible, or you have to have the USB-C input. In my case, I have a different cable, but it works as well. So if you have USB-C input on your computer or Mac or anything else, then in that case you can connect your iPhone to a computer and this will provide the power. It will deliver the power to the iPhone as well, although it will be really slow, so you will charge it pretty slowly. But until you get the power adapter or a charger, then this is one of the ways to do so. Now over here I have a different cable, like I mentioned. This one has USB type A on the other end. This is USB-C, this one over here. And I need to use a different cable because my computer doesn't have USB-C. So in your case, you might also need to switch the cable and use a different one. So just check if you have charging USB-C ports or USB type A ports on your computer available. In that case, you can just plug it in, just one end to the phone, the other to the computer, and by doing so, you'll provide the charging. Besides that, of course, you can use the power adapter. It is actually recommended to use a power adapter, and you don't really have to use the original Apple power adapter. You can use any other well-known brand as long as the input is correct. So in my case, once again, I have USB type A, but there are of course other chargers or power adapters that have USB-C as well, and they are compatible with your cable, that the original cable. But as long as you have a power adapter and an USB cable, then you should be able to charge your phone, and this works as well. So simply plug it in. There we go. Let's connect the phone to the charger, and it's simple as that, right? So nothing really special. And like I said, you don't have to use the original charger. You can use other well-known brands, but it is actually quite important to use a well-known brand such as Motorola, Samsung, Xiaomi, or anything similar to that. If you try to purchase one of these cheap knockoffs, then most likely, well, not most likely, but it may cause some damage to the battery. It might drain the battery quite a bit after time. It might get used after time, and it will speed up the aging process, and this is of course something that we want to avoid. Besides that, you can also use a wireless charger as well. So if you happen to have a wireless charger, then you should be able to place your iPhone on top of the charger, and there we go. As you can see, we are charging as well, and although it will be still slower than the power adapter, but if you happen to have a wireless charger, then of course you can use it as well. Any wireless method should work most of the time. Of course, we don't have MagSafe though, so you have to keep that in mind. But the Qi2 charging is actually available, or the Qi charging. Okay, so I just checked, and apparently Qi2 is actually not supported. So Qi charging is still supported. As you can see, we can use wireless chargers too, but MagSafe or Qi2 charging is unfortunately not supported. So these are the exceptions. So at first, if you don't have the power adapter, then you can use a computer in order to charge your phone. Alternatively, you can use a wireless charger if you have one. And until you get the power adapter or charger, then these are other methods that you can use. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!